Hi, my name is Kipkembo Imayo. I'm the General Manager here at Nimax East Africa. It has been quite a year for the manufacturing sector this year, one filled with growth, learning, and its fair share of challenges. But if there's one thing that this year has reminded us, is that uptime, reliability, and partnerships matter now more than ever. At Nimax, we focused 2025 at helping our customers to get the most out of their technology, not just through the equipment, but also through training, support, and preventive maintenance. Because at the end of the day, our goal is simple: to keep our lines running, to keep your output consistent, and to have your teams confident. So as we look ahead at 2026, we're really excited about what's coming. There's going to be more automation. We're investing in local expertise, both in Kenya, in Uganda, and in Tanzania, and even more closer partnerships to you, our customers. We're investing in people, we're investing in knowledge and in reliability, because that is what is keeping manufacturing companies moving forward. To our customers, it's a big thank you. Thank you for trusting in us for 2025. We're looking forward to working very, very closely with you in 2026. And from us here at Nimax East Africa, here's to a productive, reliable, and innovative 2026.